Civil engineering shapes the foundations of the world we live in, from infrastructure to the spaces that connect communities. Roads, bridges, water systems, and entire communities depend on the precision and dedication of this profession. Yet despite its undeniable importance, civil engineering projects are surrounded by many misconceptions. These misunderstandings not only distort how the industry is perceived, but can also lead to poor decisions from clients, managers, and even young engineers entering the field. Clearing up these misconceptions is essential to understanding what makes projects succeed and why quality in engineering is never just about concrete or steel. It is about people, systems, and long-term values. As you listen, think about the projects that have inspired you. What hidden truths or lessons have you discovered that others might not see? Share your perspective. Your insight could spark new ideas for the entire community. One of the most common misconceptions is that civil engineering is nothing more than technical drawings and calculations. While precision is essential, the real success of a project depends on far more than numbers on a page. Collaboration across disciplines, the ability to anticipate risks, and the creativity to design solutions that stand the test of time are all crucial. This is where AXA Engineers offers a different perspective. By building its philosophy on the belief that high performance comes from happiness, the company ensures that engineers thrive, not just perform. This culture empowers individuals to take ownership of their work, balancing accuracy with innovation, and it transforms projects into achievements that carry meaning beyond the drawings themselves. Another widely held myth is that outsourcing engineering inevitably leads to lower quality. Many assume that once work is moved outside, standards will slip. In reality, quality is not determined by geography but by systems and discipline. Firms with robust, multi-layered quality assurance processes and peer review structures can deliver work that meets or exceeds the standards of in-house teams. AXA Engineers is a clear example. With its structured three-step review system and recognition from respected organizations such as Autodesk, the company has proven that outsourcing can bring peace of mind as well as efficiency. Its model shows that when rigorous processes are in place, outsourcing is not a compromise but a strategy for delivering consistent excellence. A further misunderstanding lies in the belief that project delays can always be solved by hiring more people. In practice, rapidly expanding staff often introduces new inconsistencies, strains resources, and increases training costs. True efficiency comes from stability and preparation, not last-minute scaling. AXA Engineers have invested in a strong internal culture, and long-term employee development show that a dedicated and well-trained team is far more valuable than a temporary influx of additional staff. Flexible models combined with effective use of time zone advantages can transform deadlines into opportunities, keeping projects moving forward smoothly without sacrificing accuracy. Another frequent concern is the safety of intellectual property. It is understandable that companies worry about data breaches or leaks when working with external partners. But firms that implement strict safeguards, legal, technological, and cultural, show that confidentiality can be maintained with absolute seriousness. Intellectual property protection is not merely a contractual obligation. It becomes part of the organization's integrity and mindset. Finally, many still measure engineering success only by cost and speed. While deadlines and budgets are undeniably important, they do not tell the whole story. Projects that endure over time are those that balance efficiency with sustainability, safety, and long-term community value. Great firms recognize that their work is not simply about meeting today's expectations, but about shaping legacies for the future. Engineering at its best does not just build structures, it builds trust, resilience, and a better quality of life. When we look closely, it becomes clear how misleading these misconceptions can be. Civil engineering is far more than a technical pursuit. It is a discipline that combines responsibility with creativity, where protecting intellectual property matters as much as delivering on time, and where the true measure of success lies in both precision and purpose. By setting aside the myths, the profession can be seen for what it really is: a field dedicated to vision, integrity, and impact. Which of these ideas do you connect with most? Share your thoughts, and let's shape new possibilities together.